Did you know you only have 15 seconds to grab someone's attention? Start your videos with compelling hook. Tell them what they learn and why they should stick around. For example, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do. Welcome to my channel. My name is It's Me Lori. If you're new to here for the first time, welcome. Remember to hit the like button. Remember to hit the notification bell as well so you know when I drop a new video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. I was always curious about how people grow their channel fast, how they get these subscribers, because sometimes you see all these videos going around how to get 1,000 subscribers like in a day, in a week, and so on. But anyway, guess what? I run to Mr. AI to ask Mr. AI a few questions because I am curious how to grow my subscribers in one day. Okay, so here is what Mr. AI have to say. He says, hook your audience quickly. Your videos don't need to be perfect. No, they don't. Like this one, I'm just doing a regular video. But they need to be valuable. Invest in good audio. A cheap mic work wonders. I don't have a mic. I don't even want a mic. And lighting. Funny enough, I was going around searching for good lighting until I end up here. This is the best lighting right now. Outside is dark. And it says a well-lit, clear video. Sorry, a well-lit. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, guys, welcome back to what I was saying. Guess what? My screen went dark, so Mr. AI decided to shut down on me. But anyway, he says a well-lit, clear video keeps viewers watching longer, and YouTube loves that. Oh yeah. He also says use YouTube analytics to your advantage. And what does he mean by this? Listen, he says check your analytics to see what's working and what's not. Focus on your audience retention graph. Did people drop off early? Improve your intro is one type. Prove your intro is one type of video getting more views. Wait, let me read it again. Improve your intro, okay, is one type of video getting more views. Double down on that content. So basically what he's saying, if you have a certain type of content that is getting more views, do more videos based on that content. Yes. Leverage playlists. Hear what he's saying about this. Create a playlist to group similar videos together. For example, if you're on natural hair journey, make a playful. Boy, I can't read again. Here's what he's saying about leverage playlists. Create playlists to group similar videos together. For example, if you're on a natural hair journey, make a playlist called My Natural Hair Care Tips so viewers can binge watch your content. So that is something that Mr. AI here is saying that you can, help grow your subscribers and grow your channel on YouTube. He also says collaborate with your audience. Poll your subscribers. Use YouTube's community tab or ask questions at the end of your videos. For example, what's your biggest challenge right now? Comment below and I might feature your questions in my next video. This creates engagements and keep viewers invested. So my friends, these are some of the things that Mr. AI is saying right now about how to grow your YouTube subscribers fast. And then he says email your network, have an email list, share your new uploads there. Something like I just dropped a new video on my top 5 natural hair hacks. Don't miss it, works wonders. Use trending keywords, research keywords using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Target trending low competition keywords like easy natural hair tips or quick hairstyles for busy mornings. Include these in your video title. So my viewers, Mr. AI here, he gave me some subscribers boost tactics to help you grow your subscribers fast. Listen, he says run a giveaway. People love free stuff. Hello, like me right here. I love everything for free. Trust me, if me not have to spend no money, it's me that. And he said announce a small giveaway for your 500th or 1000th subscriber milestone. Example, subscribe, comment below, and I'll pick one lucky person to win $25 Amazon gift card. Just make sure it aligns with your YouTube's giveaway policies. It also says, and this is number 2, pin a comment on your videos. Pin a comment asking you to subscribe, engage, or check out a related video. Sometime like enjoy the video. Subscribe for weekly tips, keeps engagement high. He also says, and this is number 3, engage in niche communities. Be active in your niche community, comment on related videos, but add value. For example, create tips on hair care. I recently tried X method, so and so, and saw amazing results. Your comment might attract curious viewers. So if these tips help you how to grow your subscribers in a week, in a month, fast, please like, comment down below, leave your thoughts as well, and tell me what you think about this video. Guys, I am just doing this video out of nowhere. Like, this is a trial video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.